Good morning everyone. I am Jaishree.
I am Harith C.
We are from grade 4. Today we are going to explain our project called Object Divider.
This is our RC car. This is a air sensor. This is brain. This is battery. These are wheels. These are high-speed motors. This is chassis. This is caster wheel. These are U-beams. These are cables.
An object divider RC car is a smart robot that can move by itself and avoid hitting objects. It uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect obstacles in front of it. When the car is moving forward, the sensor checks the distance. If there is no object, the car moves forward. If an object comes near the car, stop, turn left or right, and then move forward again. This helps the robot to avoid accidents, just like how we stop when something in front of us. These types of robots to use in smart cars, automatic robots, and vacuum cleaners. Through this project, we learn how sensors work out and how robots make decisions.
First, we will connect to the cable. After, we will save, compile, connect, USB connect device, USB serials, connect. Burn the code. Burn successfully. Now we disconnect the cable.
Let us observe our live demo.
ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಕಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟು ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ರೈಟು ಅಥವಾ ಲೆಫ್ಟು ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಎವ್ರಿವನ್.